Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. In this class, I am going to explain about maths topic, which is directions. In my previous videos also, I have explained some problems on directions, okay, which are very useful for competitive exams. So here is our problem. A woman walks 20 meters towards south, okay, east, west, north and then south, okay. A woman walks 20 meters towards south. South means this side. So here is the woman. So she walked 20 meters towards south, okay. She walked towards 20 meters towards south. She turned left, okay. Now she is here, okay. She turned left means she is here. She turned left means this side, okay. She turns left and walks 40 meters, okay. So she walked 40 meters. Now she is here, okay. A woman walks 20 meters towards south. She turned left and walks 40 meters. She again turned left and walks 20 meters, okay. Again she turned left means this side, okay. Again turn left and walks 20 meters, okay. This is 20 meters. Her starting point is this. After turning to the right, how far is she from her original position, okay. A woman walks 20 meters towards south and then she turned left and walks 40 meters, okay. She again turned left and walks 20 meters. Further she moves 20 meters after turning to the right, okay. Again she turned now right side, okay. So 20 meters she walked, okay. So 20 meters after turning to the right, okay. How far is she from her original position? So this is her original position, okay. This is her original position, okay. So now she is here, ending point. This is starting point, this is ending point, okay. Now she is here, okay. She walked 20 meters south and then she walked 40 meters east and then she walked 20 meters north and then she walked again 20 meters east, okay. So we need to find the distance from her starting point to ending point. So this one, this from here to here we need to find, okay. Here to here we need to find, okay. We have to find this one. We know 20 meters, this we don't know, but we know this is a square, okay. Opposite sides are equal. This is 20, this is 20 and this is 20, this is 40. So this should be 40, okay. This should be 40 meters and this is 20 meters we know. So 40 plus 20, 60 meters, okay. So answer is 60 meters, okay. I am explaining this problem again. A woman walks 20 meters. A woman walks 20 meters towards south. She turned left and walks 40 meters, okay. Left and then she walked 40 meters. She again turned left and walks 20 meters. She again turned left and then walked 20 meters. Further she moves 20 meters after turning to the right, okay. So again she turned right and then walked up to 20 meters. So we need to find out how far is she from her original point. This is her original point, this is her ending point. So we need to find from here to here, O to E we need to find. This one we know 20 meters, this one, this is square, that's why opposite sides will be equal. So 40 meters, this is also 40 meters. 40 plus 20, 60 meters. So she is 60 meters far from her original point, okay. Hope it's clear. Moving to